Hello friends, I really hope that you are good and enjoying your days. Recycling craft ideas for indoor and outdoor. In today's environmentally conscious world, recycling is not just a necessity, it has become a creative expression of sustainable living. One of the best ways to promote recycling in everyday life is through recycling crafts, which allow us to turn waste materials into useful, artistic, or decorative items. These crafts can be designed for both indoor and outdoor spaces, each offering its own unique purpose, beauty, and environmental benefit. Let's explore some long and thoughtful recycling crafts ideas for indoor and outdoor settings. Indoor recycling craft focus on beautifying the home and making it more functional. Garden, balcony, or backyard, but also contribute to a greener planet by reducing landfill waste and reusing materials for practical use. Recycling crafts represent much more than just a hobby. They embody a lifestyle that combines creativity, environmental awareness, and social responsibility. By transforming discarded materials into useful or decorative objects, recycling crafts help reduce waste, conserve natural resources, and add a unique personal touch to both indoor and outdoor environments. Focus on enhancing the beauty and functionality of living spaces. They encourage mindful consumption and inspire people to find value in items that might otherwise be thrown away. This practice not only helps to reduce clutter but also promotes a sense of accomplishment and creativity. When old materials are repurposed within the home, they contribute to a healthier environment by minimizing the demand for new resources and reducing landfill waste. On the other hand, outdoor recycling crafts play a vital role in greening and beautifying gardens, patios, balconies, and other open spaces. These crafts offer serve a dual purpose, improving aesthetics while supporting wildlife or practical gardening needs. Engaging with recycled materials outdoors helps strengthen the connection between people and nature, fostering a greater appreciation for the environment and motivating sustainable habits. Both indoor and outdoor recycling crafts encourage people of all ages to think innovatively and act responsibly. They serve as a practical demonstration of how small actions can collectively make a significant positive impact on the planet. Moreover, these crafts often bring families and communities together, creating opportunities for education, collaboration, and shared joy.